Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I am participating in the 2019 DIY and Decor Challenge Christmas edition hosted by Christina from DIY Mommy. I will have Christina's channel linked down below and I think you should go check her out if you do not know who Christina is, because she is amazing, her channel is amazing, her vlog's amazing. There's lots of great content, DIYs, cooking, some travel, family type of content, so definitely a must channel to follow if you like this type of content. I will also have the playlist from the challenge linked down below, so make sure you go check out the playlist once you are finished watching my video. There are not too many rules as far as this challenge goes. We're supposed to either create or share create a DIY or share a decor for Christmas that we want. So I am choosing to do a DIY, so let's get started. So for this project you will need different sizes of mason jars. You will need rope, some sort of berries. I am using this greenery. You can use any greenery you want. Then you need Spectra glitter, which is sparkling crystals. I will link it down below. I got it on Amazon. And then you need Epsom salt. And I am using tacky glue. So you need a brush, and then you need two different plates. One I'm going to use for glue and one I'm going to use for my Epsom salt. So I'm going to mix up my Epsom salt, and you need approximately a cup to 1 tablespoon of the glitter. I'm going to put my glue over here. And you want to make sure that your jars are clean, and you want to do a good amount but not to the point where it's dripping. And now I'm going to sprinkle some of this salt and crystals. You want to cover it, but you don't want to do too much of it. Going to let it dry. Now I'm gonna repeat it for the other two.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year,
so they're gonna dry now for 24 hours before I finish the project. So now that they had the chance to dry, I'm using some twine and I'm going to be tying it around the mouth of each jar. Now the next step, I'm going to take apart that berry wreath that I had, and I'm going to attach the little leaf and berries onto the twine with hot glue.
doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends.
Now I'm gonna repeat the same process for the rest of them.
Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Here they are, all finished. I think they look stunning with the tea lights in them. You can buy the ones that are battery operated, so you don't have to worry about leaving them on. I want to thank Christina for hosting this challenge. I have been participating for over a year in her challenges and I truly enjoy them. And make sure you check out her channel and the playlist down below. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.